Warts are a common skin condition caused by the human papillomavirus, HPV. While they are generally harmless, they can be unsightly and may cause discomfort or embarrassment. Here are some methods for removing warts from your face and neck. Over-the-counter treatments. You can purchase over-the-counter wart removal treatments, such as salicylic acid or freezing sprays, at most drugstores. These treatments work by gradually destroying the wart tissue. Duct tape. Covering the wart with duct tape for several days at a time can help to suffocate the virus and destroy the wart tissue. This method may take several weeks to be effective. Home remedies. Some people find success using home remedies such as applying tea tree oil or apple cider vinegar to the wart. However, these remedies have not been scientifically proven to be effective and may cause skin irritation. Professional treatment. If over-the-counter treatments and home remedies are not effective, you may want to seek professional treatment from a dermatologist. They may recommend options such as laser therapy, cryotherapy, or surgical removal. It is important to note that removing warts does not guarantee that they will not return, as the virus can remain dormant in the skin. It is also important to avoid picking or scratching at warts, as this can spread the virus and cause further skin damage. Medical adhesive tape. Medical adhesive tape, also known as duct tape, can be an effective way to remove warts. Cut a small piece of tape and apply it directly to the wart, leaving it on for 6 days. After 6 days, remove the tape and soak the wart in warm water for 5 minutes. Use a pumice stone or emery board to gently scrub away the dead skin. Repeat the process until the wart is gone. Onion juice. Cut an onion in half and rub the cut side on the wart for a few minutes, twice a day. The acid in the onion can help dissolve the wart. You can also apply a piece of onion to the wart and cover it with a bandage overnight. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel can help to soothe and heal the skin while also fighting the virus that causes warts. Apply a small amount of aloe vera gel to the wart twice a day. Zinc. Taking a zinc supplement may help to boost your immune system and fight the virus that causes warts. Talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement. Remember to be patient when trying to remove warts, as it can take several weeks or even months to see results. Be sure to keep the affected area clean and dry to prevent the spread of the virus to other areas of your skin. If you have a large or stubborn wart, or if you experience pain or bleeding, seek medical advice from a dermatologist. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified on the new videos.